Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's still your baby girl Be Delicious, and you guys trust me now to bring you guys new updates. Any update that has to do with money, trust your girl to bring it to your table. Today is the Poopo app. Guys, people have been cashing out on this app. People are cashing out really on this app. This is the Poopo app. What did they do there, guys? This is it. How do you cash out? This is the
They
how
used to give
people
me
are cashing out
anything. So
by
yeah,
live
even work
streaming.
there.
Look at this lady. She's on the live stream right now. Look at a lot of people all over the world. They are Nigerians or white people. Every part of the world is on this app. Like, people are really cashing out big time.
Okay, so
Big time, guys. When I mean big time, look,
tell me.
I think, yes, see, you
Yes,
can
I don't want
actually
to
have
go
a
to
four-way
bed
here
now.
too. You can be discussing, people will
Yes.
come in, people will be sending you gifts. What do you do
I
on
don't
your
want to
life?
go to
When you go on live
but,
on the Poopo app, it's called PK. You PK someone else, right? Then you have people coming to gift you. These are the people that are on live right now.
I'll be
the
back.
Poopo app.
Okay,
Look at
follow
how it
me.
is. Yeah, look, this is another lady on live. Guys, people are making a lot of money on this app. I personally am also on this app. I have cashed out. If I tell you guys what I've cashed out on this app, guys, you will not believe it. I personally have really cashed out on this app. Guys, look at this lady. Look at this Nigerian actress. Can you recognize her? My dear, there is money on this app. If a prominent person is on this app cashing out, what is the color of your problem? Why are you not on this app, the Poopo app? This is one of the ways you can actually cash out on this app. The other way is by performing your tax. And if you want to be cashing out through going live, you have to have gifters. Move from one live stream to the other. Like this now, you can see, look at the score up. Look at the score up in this match. Move from one live stream to the other. Even guys are here. Did you see guys? Guys are also here. So this is not a lady thing. Don't say, oh, guys cannot make it on here. My dear, everybody is here. This is another way. After you're done with live stream, come to this place, the panel, and perform your daily tasks. Once you're done performing your daily tasks, when you're performing your daily tasks, make sure you are sitting on the crown seat. The crown seat are the ones you are seeing the crown on it. Sit on the crown seat, perform your daily tasks, and then your revenue will be waiting for you at the end of the day. You can cash out as low as $5 on this app. Guys, if you find this information useful, please give your baby guys subscribe and then like and share. Thank you so much. I love you guys.